Ya, balik lagi di channel ini bersama saya lagi tentunya dengan Iqbal di sini. Dan kali ini aku bakal kayak kemarin lagi ngerjain tugas dan mata kuliah yang sama yaitu bahasa Inggris matematika. Ya, kita langsung masuk saja. Dan ini adalah tugas buat pertemuan ketiga. Ya, langsung saja kita mulai dari vocabulary atau kosakata dulu. Dan sebentar, aku bakal tulis dulu buat yang pertama. Baik, kita menuju ke maksudnya 4 kosakata pertama terlebih dahulu. Uh, Dimana kita punya addition, subtraction, multiplication, dan division. Ya, keempatnya ini adalah kosakata untuk uh, operasi hitungan dasar, di mana addition itu adalah penjumlahan, subtraction itu pengurangan, multiplication itu adalah perkalian, dan division itu adalah pembagian. Nah, untuk contohnya sendiri, for the example, addition, for example, 1 plus 1 equals to 2, 1 ditambah 1 sama dengan 2. Subtraction, for the example, is 3 minus 2 equals to 1. 3 dikurang 2 sama dengan 1. Untuk multiplication, for multiplication, the example is 2 times 3 equals to 6. 2 dikali 3 sama dengan 6. For division, the example is 6 divided by 2 equals to 3. 6 dibagi 2 sama dengan 3. Ya, untuk kosakata selanjutnya, for the next vocabulary, we have integer. Integer. Integer ini apa sih? Dalam bahasa Indonesia, integer itu artinya bilangan bulat. Bilangan bulat itu segala sesuatu bilangan yang bukan pecahan dan berisi bilangan negatif, positif, dan juga bilangan 0. Ya, aku tuliskan sini aja. Itu ada bilangan negatif, ya, min 2, min 1 misalkan. Lalu ada bilangan netral yaitu 0, dan lalu ada bilangan positif, misalkan 1, 2, dan juga seterusnya. That's it for integer. Itu adalah bilangan bulat. Baik, kita masuk ke 3 kosakata berikutnya. Ada fraction, ada numerator, dan ada juga denominator. Nah, tiga-tiganya ini saling berhubungan ya. Makanya aku kelompokkan jadi 3 saja. Nah, pertama kita mulai dari fraction dulu. Fraction itu artinya adalah pecahan ya. Segala sesuatu yang anggapannya ada pembilang, ada penyebut, dan pembilangnya itu nggak habis dibagi oleh penyebutnya. Nah, aku berikan contoh yang paling sederhana aja, 1/2 ya. 1/2. 1/2. Atau kalau kita nyebut 1/2 ini biasanya setengah. Atau dalam bahasa Inggris itu half ya. 1/2 ini contoh dari pecahan atau fraction. Lalu numerator dan denominator itu apa sih? Nah, pertama, numerator itu artinya pembilang. Dari 1/2 ini, yang pembilang itu yang 1. Maka 1 ini adalah numerator. Nah, lalu denominator adalah penyebut. Maka dari 1/2, 2 itu sebagai penyebut, atau 2 is the denominator. Bentar, ini O ya. Nah, baik, kita masuki 2 kosakata terakhir, 2 last vocabularies in this meeting untuk pertemuan ini. Yang pertama ada highest common factor dan juga least common multiple. Nah, keduanya ini apa sih? Nah, kalau secara matematika bahasa Indonesia, highest common factor itu adalah faktor persekutuan terbesar, atau kalau kita tahu itu namanya FPB. Sedangkan least common multiple itu adalah kelipatan persekutuan terkecil, atau yang biasa kita kenal dengan nama KPK. Nah, untuk contohnya sendiri kayak ini ya. kayak kita belajar FPB dan KPK waktu masih SD ya. Misalkan FPB dari berapa ya? Dari 4 dan 6 misalkan. Nah, what is the highest common factor for 4 and 6? Kita pertama cari faktor dari 4 dulu. Faktor dari 4 itu kan ada 1, 2, dan 4. Sedangkan faktor dari 6 itu ada 1, 2, 3, dan juga 6. Nah, yang sama kita kelompokkan. 1 sama, 2 sama. Sisanya beda. Nah, terus yang dari sama ini, yang terbesar yang mana? Yang 2. Jadi, FPB untuk 4 dan 6 itu adalah 2. So, the highest common factor for 4 and 6 is 2. Ya, FPB-nya adalah 6. Lalu untuk KPK, list common multiple, ini sama, kita menggunakan 2 atau lebih angka dan kita cari kelipatannya, terus kita kelompokkan yang sama, tapi bedanya kita mencari yang terkecil dari yang sama-sama tersebut. Misalkan saja KPK dari 2 dan 3. The least common multiple of 2 and 3. Kelipatan dari 2, the multiple of 2, kita tuliskan saja misalkan 2, 4, 6, 8, dan seterusnya. Untuk kelipatan 3 yaitu 3, 6, 9, 12, dan seterusnya. Nah, lalu kita kelompokkan yang sama. 2, 3 beda, 6 sama, dan seterusnya. Nah, yang dari yang sama-sama ini yang terkecil kan yaitu 6. Jadi KPK dari 2 dan 3 itu adalah 6. The least common multiple of 2 and 3 is 6. Dan itu saja buat sesi vocabulary kali ini. Maka dari itu kita masuk ke problem solving ya. Kita masuk ke soal cerita. And English mode on. Alright, we move on to the first problem. I will read it here and I will show it here too. Charles bought 5 apples that cost 47 cents each. He paid with a $5 bill. How much charge did Charles receive? So, the first thing we need to do is to count, what is it? Never mind. We'll just write it down. First, he bought 5 apples with $47 each. For $47 each. Now, we multiply this 5 times 47, and the total price of the apples is 235 cents. Chris paid with $5 bill. And you should know that $1 is 100 cents. Right? $1 is 100 cents. So, he paid 5 times 100 is 500 cents. Yeah. So, Chris paid 500 cents. Now, the problem asks how much did Charles receive, how much change did Charles receive? Now, how to find the change received is to find the difference between the amount he paid and the total cost. So we subtract 500 with 235, and then we got 265 cents. This is how much he received as a change. But in currency system, if it's about we commonly use dollar format to say currency, not in cents. So we convert this into dollar format again by dividing it by 100. divided with 100. So we got $2.65 as the change that Charles received. Right. That's it for the first problem. Now we move on to the second problem. I will read it again and I will show it again in here like before. In order to prepare for an international wrestling event, Jim had to bring his weight to under 80 kilograms. If he currently weighs 200 pounds and begins a program in which he loses 2.5 pounds per week, how many weeks will he reach the required weight? So, we need to write down the key point first. Wait, how is it? Yeah. The required weight is 80 kilograms and Jim's weight is 200 pounds. Wait. 200 pounds, all right? And the program reduces 2.5 pounds per week. And how many weeks? How many weeks he should spend? Right. That's the points of this problem. So the first thing we need to do is to, because this is mostly in pounds format, we convert the kilogram first into pounds. So for your information, 1 kilogram equals to 2.2 pounds, right? So in order to convert the 80 kilogram into pounds, we need to multiply it with 2.2. And let's just do it here. 80 times 2.2. And then with some math, we got 176 pounds. This is the required weight. This is the required weight. Now, if Jim's weight is 200 pounds right now, to find how many weeks he needs to train to do the program, we need to find the difference between Jim's weight and the required weight. So we just subtract the highest with the lowest, and we got 24 pounds. Right. So Jim needs to lose 24 pounds in order to participate in the wrestling event. Now, the program reduces 2.5 pounds per week. And how does this have a connection? We divide 24 pounds, the target for losing weight, with how many pounds he will lose per week. So just divide it. 24 divided by 2.5 equals to 9.6. This is weeks. Sorry, it's a bit messy, but it's okay. So Jim needs Jim at least needs 9.6 weeks to reduce his weight, or to make it easier to understand him, we will round this up. into 10 weeks. So yeah, Jim needs either between 9.6 weeks to 10 weeks to reduce his weight. And that's it for the second problem. Alright, now we have the third problem, and I will read it again and show it again. The human body maintains a normal temperature of 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. If a person develops a fever with a 3 degrees temperature increase above normal, what would be the Celsius reading on a thermometer to the nearest tent? So we have a temperature in Fahrenheit format, and there is an increase to the Fahrenheit, and then we convert it to Celsius. Let's do it here, the problem solving. First we have 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. This is the normal temperature of a human. And then just pretend a normal someone got a fever, and then he got a 3 degree increase. So his temperature will be 101.6 degree Fahrenheit right now. This is in Fahrenheit. The problem requires us to convert this into Celsius format in the nearest tent. So how to do it? There are two ways to convert Fahrenheit to Celsius, but both of them results the same. The first is the Celsius is Fahrenheit is 1.8 times Celsius plus 32. Am I right? Oh yeah, it's right. And the second one, the Celsius is 5/9 times, open bracket, temperature in Fahrenheit minus 32. Yeah, these two ways are to find the to convert Fahrenheit into Celsius. Now let's maybe we should do both to clarify both ways, right? We'll do both. First, we will use the left one first. We have 101.6 Fahrenheit. 101.6 degree Fahrenheit is 1.8 times Celsius plus 32. Right. Then we subtract both sides, left and right. Oh no, subtract with 32, and then we got how is it? 71. Right, we got 69.6 degree Fahrenheit, which is 1.8 times Celsius, right? And then to the next step is to divide both sides with 1.8. Divide both sides, left and right. So we got now we'll just why I have write it here. Right, divide both sides with 1.8. So we got 38.666 and so on degrees equals to the Celsius. Right, we've got the Celsius format already there. Using the left way to do it. Now we do the right. We do the formula on the right. Wait, I will here. So Celsius format, which is 5/9. The Fahrenheit temperature is in 101.6 minus 32. Then we subtract this 101.6 minus 32 is 69.6 degrees. Yeah, and then we multiply 5/9 with 69/6 degrees, and then we got 38.66 and so on. It's the same. If you want to convert Fahrenheit to Celsius, these are the ways. This, or this. And both is just the same. Use whichever you like. And we forgot. The problem requires us to find the temperature in the nearest tenth. So we round this to the nearest tenth, which is 38.7 degrees Celsius. So the thermometer reading on Celsius format is 38.7 degrees Celsius. And that's it for the third problem. Alright, we move on to the next one, which is the fourth problem. And I will read it again. Jim wanted to buy several CDs. The music store was having a sale that reduced the prices by 15%. He selected 3 CDs that cost $12.99 and one that cost $9.99. How much would this purchase cost if sales tax is 8.5%? So the first thing we need to do is to collect the total price of the CDs that Jim has bought without the discount. First, he bought 3 CDs that cost $12.99 and one that cost $9.99. So multiply them first. So we got the total cost. The 3 CDs have a total cost of $38.97. While this, because it's just one, it's stay the same, $9.99. To find the total cost, we add both of them, and then we got $48.96. This is the price without the discount and the tax. Right. So the next thing to do is to find the price with the discount. The discount itself is 15%, and because the price is discounted by 15%, the original price, let's say it's 100% discounted by 15%, and the price left is 85%. Wait, it's percent. So the next thing we need to do is to multiply 85% to the $48.96. So we got the discounted price. Let's do it now. 48.96 times 85%. Or to make things easier, we convert the percent into decimals. So it's total price times the discount, which is 0.85. 0.85. And then we got, what is it? $41.62. This is the discounted price. We're not done here yet. The problem says that there is a tax to the cost, and the tax is 8.5%. 8.5%, and this is just the same as 8.5%. 8.5. Sorry. I'll move here. So the next thing we need to do is to find the price along with the tax. So we need to find how much the price increased first because of the tax. We first multiply the price here, the discounted price, with the tax rate, which is $41.62 multiplied by times 0.085, because 8.5% is 0.085. And then with some calculations, we got that the price increase is $3.54. This is the price increase because of the tax. And then to find the final price, we add this, both of this, $41.62 added by $3.54. And then we got the final price of $45. We got the final price of $45.16. So Jim has to pay $45.16 to buy the CDs. And that's it for the fourth problem. And then we move on to the final problem, the fifth problem. Samantha has been working hard as a babysitter and has $540 collected. She decided to invest this money in a fund that predicts an interest rate of 8 to 11%. What could she expect to happen to her original investment after 1 year? So what we need to do is to find what happened to her investment with the rate of 8 to 11%. Right. First, we need to find the lowest possible, the lowest possibility of her investment, which is 8%, the 8% rate. So how to do it is to multiply principal times rate times times. What the times mean? It means it usually we know that investments usually have a full increase after 1 year. Below 1 year, it will be a partial increase. So if it's about 6 months, the times format is in half, 50%. But because it's in 1 year, it will be full 1. Right. The principal is her money that is invested, which is $540, and the rate is 8%. 8% in decimal is 0.08, and the times format, because it's 1 year, we write it as 1. It's a full increase. And then the increase will be, wait, how much is it? Will be $43.20. This is the increase if the interest rate is 8%. Now we add this increase to her original investment. So the total investment is 540 plus $43.20, and we will get $583.20. That's the lowest possibility. And the highest possibility, which is 11%, and the same formula applies. The difference is at the interest rate, which is 11%. $540 times 11%, which is 0.11 times 1 year. And then for this rate, we got an increase of $59.40. We add the original investment with the increase, and then we got the final investment of $559. Wait, that's not in dollars. And 40 cents. Right. So what happened to Samantha's investment after 1 year? It will be increased between $583.20 to $559.40. And that's it for the final problem. Alright, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like or dislike so I will know how you feel about this video. If you find it useful, just share it to your friends, your families, and anyone. Yes, and don't forget to subscribe too, because I will make more videos like this. Right. As always, see you at the next lesson. Bye.